right, first of the books just came. Here's the truck, and here's the book.
Dedicated to the Wanderers.
I love it. Yeah, it feels good. It's really nice. It's a nice book.
Oh my God, you've got a lot of stuff in here, James.
I thought it would be thicker, but it's actually like perfect. It's a perfect perfect thickness. I was worried that this would be super thick.
QR code for videos.
That's for the captain's locker, so you can get to the extras.
Yeah.
There's a bunch of stuff I couldn't put in the book.
Sure.
Well, this happened. We got 3 of the pallets in here. One of the pallets, got a couple of damaged boxes here. That's okay. It looks like only 3 of them are really damaged.
Yeah, it was the bottom, yeah. Well, you can open them up though anyway.
Yeah. Here's the good pallets. So we've got 6 pallets. There's 3 here, 1 wrecked, but looks like most of them will be okay. And then there should be 2 more pallets on the truck. Oh boy, oh man, how are we gonna fit all these? You think they're gonna fit?
6 pallets, I don't know.
Okay, I gotta stop the story just for a minute. We're done. We have finished all of the books. This is the last box. Well, the box says, well, like 800 books that need to go out. This is all for USPS. We've got another box for UPS and another box for FedEx. This is about 800 books. They're all ready to rock. So this is why I'm stopping the video. This is 100 books. So I signed 4,000 of them and I sold 3,900 of them. And I wanted to have slop for, you know, if I needed to send some out to some magazine people or some whatever, you know, I just didn't want to end up like overextending myself. Well, turns out that I have 100 signed books left. So I need to get these out of here. If you guys would like a signed book, these are the last 100 signed books of the first edition hardback available. These are not going to be available again. I'm not doing this again. There will never be another first edition signed book. So this is what it looks like. It's got my signature. It's hand numbered. Wait, right here you can see them. Hand numbered. That's number 1210 of 4,000 right there. And it's got a cowhide leather cover and gold foil, and it's debossed, and it's beautiful. If you'd like one, the first 100 people that go to my website, bethecaptain.com, will get a signed version. There's 100 of them. The website's set up for 100. As soon as they're over, that'll turn gray, and these will never be available again. So go and get it, and help me get these out of here. If you thought about buying a book, now's the time to do it. Peace. Enjoy the video. It's cool. It's fun. This was a cool experience. Big thanks to my mom. Let's go thank my mom. Let's see if we can find her. Mom, what are you doing?
Making toast.
Oh, thank you so much for your house, for lending me your house. I'm sorry that I trashed it for so long. It's actually still
It wasn't
trash.
It was fun.
There's still a lot of trash, Mom.
Well, there's a little trash.
I'll help you clean it up.
I know you will.
I love you.
You're such a good son. I love you.
You're the best mama ever. Okay, let's get back to the video. Apparently, I didn't set up my store correctly, so I didn't get phone numbers for everybody, and phone numbers are required for all international shipments. So I've got this huge list of people that I have to contact and manually ask for their phone number and put it in. But everybody's getting their book, damn it, so I'm gonna do it. Speaking of books, this is the finished book right here. So today, one of our patrons, Jon Moga, thanks buddy, is going to show up from California, and he's got a label machine. So we're going to start putting labels on all of these books. These are all finished. These are all empty. These are all set up. These are all signed. These are all finished. These are finished, like I said before, and then we have one more location here. And pretty soon we're gonna have to put them in my mom's room because we don't have any more room for all this stuff. But those are all ready to go. These are all the new books. And these are the signed copies. So the book came out really cool. It's definitely leather. It's cool looking. It feels good on your hands. The gold foil looks amazing. I'm giving everybody a sticker. Everybody that I'm fulfilling here gets a sticker. The stickers are actually really nice too. They're really nice material. And that's what the numbering system looks like. And my signature, which has changed a little bit as I sign more and more. Yeah. You want to know something funny is I didn't like that cover when she sent it to me. And I sent it out to you guys. And I was like, what do you think about this cover or my cover? And unanimously, it was that one. So that's why it looks like that. It's because of you. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Oh, this is awesome, dude. Thank you for bringing that.
Yeah.
I'm so happy. It's been all day we've been waiting. What time is it? Like 3 o'clock? And we just got some printed? 3:30.
3:30.
All right. It only took, what, 7 hours? But we're doing it. Yeah, baby. Ooh, it's going out to people. You guys are going to love it. Look at the book you're getting. Come here. I'm so happy with this book. Well, I'm very lucky, actually, that it turned out as good as it did. Big thanks to Friesians. They are the printer. And look at that book. It's awesome. The print looks good. The cover looks great. Everything looks really nice, dude. I mean, this is... Big thanks to Robert. He's my line editor. If you guys need a line editor, I've got the man. And actually, I don't know if I'm going to share him. Nah, he's good. His name's Robert Henry. He's the man. He's the reason this book looks so nice. Oh, look at that. That's so cool with the gold. Okay, thank you, brother. I'm excited. Let's get to mailing.
Let's do it.
All right. What's the load today, buddy?
We have 400 pretty awesome books in here.
These are your guys' books. We're going to the post office for the first time. Books in there, books in here. We're loaded down. We're low. We're low riding. This is cool. Let's go. What do you need help with? Aye, that hurt.
Did you hit your head? Oh, jeez.
That's all right. What's your name?
I'm Al.
Al. Thanks, Al.
Oh, you're welcome, sir.
Appreciate it.
So welcome.
Okay, here's the status update. These are empty boxes. Well, these are full of books. Here's all the books that are already taped up and ready to go. We're at 1,750 now. These are all taped up, ready to go. This is one of my best friends, Amber, from high school and junior high school. We've been friends we figured it out, it's 30 years now.
30 years.
30 years! That makes me feel old. These are ready to ship. Oh, there's 2 rows of boxes, that's why. There's about 2,000 boxes in these 2 rows. Books, I mean. So, that's the rest of them. We're making progress. Here's some more that are ready to ship. This is a lot. 1,750 books. Some of them are doubles. This is 2 books. Yeah. Yeah. Thank God for my mom. This would have been... And Amber. Thank you, Amber. Mm-hmm. We did 750 books today. Ready to ship. Pretty good. Here's all the boxes that the books are coming in because we're not sure if we need to ship those boxes.
We will be right there.
Oh, thanks. That thing's weird. And then I got some cool bookends in here. I got like a pirate ship bookend today. Here's one half of it, and then the other half is the front of the boat for the boat show. So I'll have these, and then I'll have a little sign that says how much the books are. That's cool, right? Book update, number 167. John is pulling his weight. We call him the baby gorilla. He's very strong. Don't mess with him. Empty boxes. The book you can see from the living room to the dining room now, which is cool. There's all stickered books ready to ship. We've shipped what, like 1,500 books now?
Yeah, about that.
And we've signed over 3,000. We're on 3116. We're almost done. Got these books left to sign, and we're running out of everything. The problem is now that we're out of empty boxes. We're out of pens. It's gonna happen, but we're gonna have to fight for the last bit. $4,000. Woohoo! Done. My wrist doesn't hurt. My shoulder hurts a little bit. Got to use your shoulder.